Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy Global. So recently we have the result of GATE 2022 and I have KIRAN with me, and as we can see that he has got GATE rank 158 in electrical in GATE 2022 All India ranking, and I am just going to interact with KIRAN so that we come to know about everything about KIRAN and how he managed everything to get this rank. Okay. You are going to get so many knowledge, so many tips and so many things while interacting with KIRAN, because he is from South India, and those students who are from there only, this particular interview which is in English language only, you are going to get connected with KIRAN and also with me, and you are going to get so many tips while watching this video. So, please watch this video till end so that KIRAN will get motivated and you also get some tips. Okay. So, the first thing is that KIRAN, just tell me once that from where are you and how will you get how would you get connected with the GATE Academy?
Like it was Gate Academy for the first time, which has launched GD course, and me and some of my friends got to know that like Umesh Tande sir is launching a Google Drive course, so it was very convenient for us. So we took the course.
Okay, KIRAN, one more thing, from where are you?
I am from Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka. See KIRAN, so many South Indian students who are get connected with GATE Academy, they are from there only, like Karnataka, Kerala and
Yes.
this Andhra Pradesh, and they just want to know everything and they want to learn everything in English language only.
Okay,
So,
sir.
I think that you have brought our G drive courses
Yes, sir.
in electrical branch. So, are you convenient with our language, in which language we have taught in our recorded GD courses? Do you feel
Yes,
any
sir.
difficulty in that?
No, sir. Like we can understand Hindi, so it's very good. Like the video quality of the courses is too good, so there is no problem there. Only thing is that once you start learning the courses, you will get to know the language also, because it's like not a pure language. As it is a technical subject, it won't be that of a problem to adjust with the courses.
So, Kiran, in which language you brought our courses? Hindi or
Uh,
English?
Hindi, sir.
So, I think that you know Hindi also well, because you learn everything in Hindi and you got this good rank in electrical branch.
It's easy to understand Hindi, like as the course is technical, so not much of Hindi is required to be understood.
Okay, language is not a barrier while you are learning it, any technical thing, I think.
Yeah, sir.
So, for those who are watching this video, I want to tell one thing, that we have already launched English language courses also. If
Okay.
anybody who want English language courses, they can brought this part also. Okay. So, Hindi, English both are available, but Kiran has opted Hindi language. So, he has learned everything in English, Hindi only. So, this is very good that you are unable to speak Hindi well, but you are learning Hindi language courses from our GATE Academy. Very good, Kiran. So,
Yes.
one more thing, in which year and what is your pass out year, and in which year you brought these courses?
Like I bought it in 2019
Hmm.
in my final year, but I couldn't finish all the videos because we were more focused towards project work and all in the final
Hmm.
year.
Hmm.
So I took an extension,
Hmm.
and in 2020, like I completed the syllabus, but I couldn't get a good rank.
Hmm.
So like one more time I attempted in 2022.
Okay. So, that means you attempted 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
In 2020, 2021,
2020,
and 2022.
2021 and 2022. So, can I ask that what is your rank in 2020 and 2021? Either you
Like in
qualified or not? That is
yes,
also the
sir.
question.
In 2020, I was in my final year,
Okay.
and I couldn't qualify.
Okay.
In 2021, I got a rank of 1600.
1600. Okay.
Yeah, in 2022, I have like 158.
So, see students how the progress is going to be happen in everyone's life. So, first time not qualified, second time under 1000 and third time he has got a very good rank, that is 158. Then now he have the choice of PSU and IIT's MS, whatever he want he can get, because this rank is very good, and I just appreciate his effort and consistent work towards GATE courses, and whatever he did while preparing, that is awesome, because he has got 158 rank, which is very good. Kiran, one more thing, while preparations,
Yes, sir.
what are the obstacles you have felt, and what are the things that has to be considered to get a good rank? That tips our students want to know from you always.
Yes, sir. Like I will mainly list out why I failed. That will be better for the students to know. Like in 2020, I feared the exam, like GATE exam, because there were around 10 subjects, and to complete it in your final year, I thought it's impossible. So I couldn't complete the syllabus. So that was the reason I couldn't qualify. But later in the second attempt, that's in for 2021, like I completed the syllabus, but I couldn't do sufficient revision and take like a test series. So that was the reason I failed. So this time I overcome those. Like I did a consistent revision and also took test series. Yeah, there was still some shortcomings, so I couldn't get under 100 rank or something. But for any student, the main thing I would suggest is complete the syllabus, then do a consistent revision parallelly with the syllabus completion, then attempt enough number of tests. These are the three things that anyone should follow, and the main key to success is consistency. Like keep a simple plan and then be like consistently follow the plan. That's the only thing, sir.
So, from your words, I got one thing, that consistency is the main thing. From there, you can get the success. One more thing, you told me that test series and revision both are important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, many students had some doubt that how to revise the subjects that you have already completed. So, are you done the revision in between while the class, while you are learning the particular subject, or you have completed the subject and afterward you have revised the things? What is the process of revision exactly? Students always asking me this question.
Yes, sir. Like one thing is that you should parallelly carry on the revision. Like you're completing your syllabus, your classes are going on, and you must revise those subjects which you have already completed. One obstacle is that like you will feel as from class notes are too huge, it's very hard to revise from them. So it's better to make a short notes out of that. Then you will have the confidence to finish it because it's too short. So that will be a motivation to do the revision. So that's one thing. But revision is a must, sir. Without revision, whatever you read, you'll just forget after 1 month or 2 months. So it won't be of any use.
Okay. Did you make any short notes if you are telling like that?
Yes, sir. Like once I completed the one subject, then I made a short notes containing very basic things to get a idea of the subject. So
Okay.
that so it's once you go through the short notes, you will have a basic idea about the subjects. What are the things that are there? What are the formulas I must remember? Like that. And as you write test series, you can add to the short notes. So that will be much better. If you have some doubt, then you can go back to your main notes and clarify that.
Okay, while appearing in any test like mock test or subject wise test or topic wise test,
Yes.
before appearing in the test, are you revising your short notes?
No, sir. Like 1 week before, I will revise, and then after that, I will attempt the test because that's what happens in GATE exam also. Like you can't read all the subjects and go and attempt. So I gave that gap so that my mind adjusts to that
So
situation.
this is what your planning is like that only. So
Yes, sir.
after revision, you are making deliberately 1 week gap, and after
Yes,
that you are appearing in the test.
yes, sir. Because
So
in GATE exam,
hmm,
once you see the question,
hmm,
like there are multiple subjects,
hmm,
so you can't connect to that concept just directly like that.
hmm, hmm,
But if you revise and go write the test series, the concepts will be in your back of the mind, so you
hmm,
can easily attempt. So you will have a false concept in your mind that you will easily attempt the questions, but that won't be the case in GATE exam.
so this is very new strategy for me that you are doing like that. So
Yes,
while
sir.
attempting test series, what you are facing? Are you get connected with each and every questions, or what mistakes you are getting, or you are committing over the questions? What are the things that you are facing while attempting the test after
Uh,
getting a gap of after placing a gap of 1 week?
Yes, sir. Like once you see some difficult question from a subject, like you won't connect with the concept because you're not used to it or you don't remember it. Uh, so you need to sit down and think about it. So only then you will get to know about that question. So that decides how much time you will take in the actual exam. So that's one thing, and there is a high probability that you will do mistakes also because you are going in an actual test. You are going against time, so there is a lot of pressure, and you will make mistakes also. So that's one thing. You'll get to know your mistakes, and you'll get to know your speed also. That's two things if you'll get if you do test series like this.
So, what are the mistakes that you especially are committing over the test series, and how you are reducing those mistakes?
Sir, like what I observed is I made mistakes in most easiest questions. Like when came across an easy question, I would think, okay, I will do this, and I will miss important data like units and all. I won't go through options like that. I will do a silly mistake in the most easiest questions.
Okay.
So that's one thing, and there are some obvious conceptual mistakes that people will do that were also there. These are the two kinds of mistakes which I recognized and then corrected them.
In next text, or you need some time to simply decreasing the percentage
Uh,
of silly mistakes. Did you take some time, or you have corrected once you are up when we appeared in next test?
yes, sir. It's like it's better to make a list of your mistakes so that your mind is conscious about it. So next time you come across that same mistake, like a situation where you could make that mistake, then your mind will become conscious and you won't do it. So like last in my 2021 gate exam, like I did around 10 mistakes. So that's the reason I got a very less rank, but this time I just made one mistake. So
Okay.
I reduced the number of mistakes, and that was the secret to my success this time.
Very good. So that means you did very well in this particular examination, that is GATE 2022, and whatever
Yes,
mistakes you have committed in last examination, last two
yes,
times, that has been reduced, and simply you remove that part from your life.
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So anything more you want to add up while preparation, so that our audience will get advantage by your tips?
So one thing is that keep things simple and don't complicate your plan, like everyday plan. Otherwise, it will be hard to follow it. So to start with, start with 4 hours per day, like 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, and get committed to it. Otherwise, in Josh at start, you will do 10 hours per day, but you can't be consistent with it like for 1 month, 2 months like that. So start with less number of hours and then go on incrementing, and
Okay.
keep the plan very simple. So that will help. If you complicate it, you won't be able to follow it for a long term. That's one thing, and revision is a must. And as soon as you finish your subject, you must keep revising. And test series is also a must. Only in test series you will be able to develop that skill of writing tests, because just because you have completed syllabus you won't get a rank. You must have the practice of writing tests also. Like your approach to writing exam must be very clear, crystal clear. Only then you will get to score well in the GATE exam.
Okay, these are the certain tips by Kiran, and I want to ask one more question. What is your favorite? What are your favorite subjects?
Like this time I didn't, like I completely disconnected from like having favorite subjects, and also that's because like when you're writing GATE and some tough question comes in that, then you will completely be moved off.
Okay,
So I followed that way.
so your preparation is equal in all the subjects. That means there is
Yes,
no.
sir.
Okay, very good, very nice. And you are from Karnataka, yes, right?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any other friends, those who get suggestion from you while you are preparation, or you have prepared self without any groups or anything else, only watching the video lectures of GATE Academy?
Yes, sir. Like I was alone. Like there was one more friend which took the course along with me, but he followed other path. Like I was alone. Like around here, there is no, and there is not much GATE institutions and all. So it's online is the only way to go.
Mm-hmm. So, how you get motivated while preparation? Because if anyone is not there and you are isolated at some village and no one is there, so what is the way of motivation? Have you feel any times that I am unable to, I cannot prepare from here itself, I just left that part? Have you felt something like that, or you are always
Yes.
get motivated with this like that what you are saying right now?
Yes, sir. Like you'll be demotivated because sometimes you'll write some tests and you won't get the expected marks. And sometimes you plan something and you won't be able to execute the plan. So that time you'll get demotivated. But most of the time, what I used to do was watch Umesh Dande sir's videos. Like used to give some motivation, uh, and he gave very valuable tips on how to actually prepare. So that helped me a lot. And yeah, like you, it's better to join some community, like some a telegram group of GATE Academy or something like that. So that will keep you in touch with the outside world, like how others are preparing. So that way you'll be motivated always.
Okay, your words are precious, and once again congratulations and
Thank you, sir.
to you and your family. And what is
Yes.
your future plan? Are you do you want some MTech courses, or you want to be go for PSU?
First time preferring to take MTech courses. If I don't get a good branch, then I will look for PSUs.
So, do you say any branches which is your choice?
Uh, I'm looking for this artificial intelligence course from IIC Bangalore,
Okay.
and then I'm looking for other courses in VLSI and microelectronics and integrated circuits from other IITs, sir.
So, these are the branches that is for electronics, I think.
Uh, like in integrated circuits, electrical is allowed.
Yes, in all branches that you told electrical is allowed, but you have not named a power system or power electronics. That's why I am asking.
Yes, like you can take up power electronics, power systems, and machines, but one aspect is that you won't have a very good placements in those branches.
Yes, yes.
So if your main objective is placements, it's better to go for either this integrated circuits or other good branches available.
Okay. Okay, Kiran, it was nice talk to you, and we will say that you will have a happy journey from here onwards. And did
Yes.
you register for postgraduate post guidance program of GATE Academy?
Like I want to register, but I have not registered it.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I want to say thanks again, and
Thank
this
you, sir.
part and whatever suggestions that audience you got from Kiran is very precious, and I also asked Kiran that you just share your short notes, because short notes making is an art, and you have mastered in that art. So, if you can be able to share that particular part with our learning students who are right now preparing for GATE, that will be very uh, good part from your side. I just
Yes.
finish this video right now, and then I will talk to you how to share this particular notes with our GATE preparing students who is watching this video right now. Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
Kiran. Thanks to
Okay.
all.